That is a quick delivery. It's hit Lara. Now he got into an awkward position and he's in pain. This has hit him, I reckon, on the back of the head or somewhere near the eye as he's pointing. But that is nasty. Shoaib Akhtar, the first man to run across to Lara. And not a pretty sight, Michael.
No, not at all. That's not something they like to see on a cricket field. And just from Lara's reaction when he got it, you know that has hurt him.
And you could just see the way Lara reacted. You watch here, the way he reacts after being hit. It's an awkward position. He's missed the bat. It's just under his neck. The way he goes down, he knows he's in pain.
It seems as if that's hit the neck and possibly just under the jaw there, Ravi. And one would hope that it is more neck than jaw, because there's nothing in the neck to break really at the front of it at any rate. Any bones would be in the back, and that should not be a problem. If it has hit the jaw, that could create a problem or two, but I would hope not.